Hi everybody, it's Maureen of Maureen 97 Designs, and I wanted to show you a flip through of the recent Mommy-Lay Little Bits Kit B6 TN setup. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with this whole setup TN thing because I'm actually not using TNs right now. I'm trying out personal wide rings. But when the kit came, I just couldn't resist it. It's so fun and cute that I just had to set up this planner. So if you've got any suggestions, leave them in the comments below, and yeah, let's get started. So this is the TN, the Traveler's Notebook cover that actually comes in the kit. It's a really great value if you're not familiar with the Little Bits kit. It's under $40 for a full kit that comes with an actual Traveler's Notebook cover, and nowadays they are actually coming with stitching and pockets, so they're really nice. I'm blown away by how much you get in the kit, basically. So anyway, this is a keychain kind of charm. I put it here on the spine. I'm thinking about changing that to maybe just jump rings instead of this ball chain, but maybe later. So I didn't decorate the front cover. That was another thing I was thinking of doing, is cutting out some vinyl and putting it on the front cover, but I'm not sure because that stuff can rub off if you, you know, mess with it too much. So I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. But anyway, on to the inside. Like I said, there are stitched pockets in here. It's a double pocket, so I put this Blossom paper clip into the smaller bitty pocket, and then this is a full sheet of clear foiled stickers, and they didn't fit anywhere else, so I put them here in the big pocket. And unless I say otherwise, everything in this setup is something that I used from the kit itself or the digital download link that comes with the kit. So I did use some of my own papers and sticker sheets and things like that, but all the graphics are from the Mommy-Lay August 2018 Little Bits kit. So this is Magic Everywhere, and these B6 clear dashboards come in the kit. So I have a bunch of stuff in those. And then I have this beautiful vellum serving as the cover for my weekly insert. And I printed up a bunch of these pages for the weekly. Really cute. And then I have this gorgeous hollow star acetate. That's the cover to my next insert, and it says I love you to the moon and back. And this can be anything. This can be notes. You can use it for a page a day insert, lists, memory keeping, you know, what have you. It's a very kind of basic layout with the column and then the grid, so you could do anything with it. I would totally do a page a day daily calendar thing with this one. So you just print that out how many times you need it, and you can fold it up and make it into an insert. And then this is actually a little folder that I made myself, a little pocket folder. Using the graphics, I designed it in Silhouette Studio, and then I just hand cut out the pieces because they're really simple pieces. So all it is the back and front covers, and then the insides to the covers, and then these two pockets on each side. So I ended up printing out, I think, about 3 pages worth of graphics, and then cutting them out by hand. And then you put them all together, and I put just a tiny bit of glue stick on the bottoms to hold them together while they went through the laminating machine. So you laminate all the pieces together and then just cut little slits where the pockets end, and there you got a pocket folder. So what I have in here is the majority of the die cuts from the kit. I used a few, and I'll show you that in just a bit. And then this is just a piece of packaging that came with the kit. I think the keychain or the paper clip was in here. And you can see the packaging itself is just so pretty. Lei really puts a lot of thought into the designs of these kits, because just these backer cards are so pretty and go along with the whole kit. So I saved this because I can probably use that for something. And then these are sticker strips I made using the graphic from the kit. These are headers for Monday through Sunday. And so I printed up 5 strips of it to get you through a whole month. And then these down here, this is the only thing that's not from the kit. These are the dates for the monthly calendar, or if you want to use it for your daily. I printed these out, and it actually uses my own handwriting font, this thin one and a thick one. And it's not just the same font that's thin or thick. It's actually 2 slightly different fonts. Of course, it's both my handwriting. I wasn't trying to make them really different, but they are slightly different in style, so I included both of those in case I want to use those to set my inserts up. And then on the back it says I love you to the moon and back. And actually this graphic, this Wish Upon a Star graphic, is the one I was thinking about cutting in vinyl for the front cover. So let me know what you think of that. That might be a really nice addition. And then, believe it or not, this is a sticker book that actually did come in the kit this month. I don't know how Lei made this work for this value, but it's a whole actual sticker album. So I put this card comes in the kit as is. It has a list of everything that's in the kit on the back. And then this is a piece of packaging, and I just printed out a sticker and put the Hobby Lobby glitter paper over it and stuck it on there. And then these sticker sheets are in the kit, in the box, and I just put them every other page. And then on the backs, these are my own little stickers that I made using the kit graphics. So you can see a lot of stickers come in the kit, and then a lot of graphics for you to play with. Let me just go through this real quick. And then I even have 3 leftover pages, so I can put even more stickers in here. And then this is the backs of the clear pocket dashboards, You Are My World. And then here I used 3 of the die cuts, Dream and Believe, and then these 2 girls. And then this pen actually does come in the kit, and I just put it in here with a magnetic pen holder strip that I made. And then, oh, and this is packaging also. See how cute that is? How can you throw something like that away? You can't. You use it in your TN because it's so awesome. And then back here is the stamp set that comes in the kit. And then in here, this is a little piece of packaging that I cut down, and then I put this little picot ribbon bow on it. And a roll of washi comes in the kit that matches the space theme, and so I put a generous sample wrapped around this card. So that can go with you when you take your TN out and about. So yeah, that's the whole setup. I really honestly love it to bits, but I just don't know what to do with it because I'm not using this as a planner for myself right now. I actually am using a couple of different planners already, and I can't really add this one to my rotation. So yeah, if you have any suggestions or ideas, leave them below, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.